Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to share contacts on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to share contacts on WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp app on your phone, and from over here guys, in order to share a contact on WhatsApp, you'll be required to open the chat box of that person of which you want to share the contact of. And if that person is not here on this list, you can see the green plus button icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on there and open up the chat box of the person whom you want to share the contact of. For example, I'll be sharing a contact of my friend. Now in order to share that contact guys, after you open that chat box, you can see their name at the top of the screen. Tap on their name and it will take to their profile like this. Now in order to share that contact, you can see the three dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on there and there is the share button available for us. Tap on that share and you will be able to share that contact on WhatsApp to whomever you like. You can add them if you want. You can see the 2% with the plus icon at the top of the screen. Tap on that and you will be able to send that to a group. And with that being said guys, after choosing that person to whom you want to share a contact of on WhatsApp, this kind of interface will appear, and if you tap on the airplane icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, that contact will be shared to whom you have sent it. Like this guys, you can see it will be shared and that person will be able to share that contact on WhatsApp, and that person will be able to add that person on WhatsApp whom you had shared, whose contact you had shared. And with that being said guys, this is how to share contacts on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.